So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have 1.5 line spacing in a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is I'll just, for this example, have a blank slide just like this. Go to the top and then go to the text right here and insert a text box. I'll just go type in 1.5 line spacing. Just like this, so it's pretty fitting for the video. I will also go to text here, and I will make this as large as possible. So there's a couple ways you can do this. They work the exact same way. First off, press on the text right here. Make sure that text is selected. Then go to the bottom to where it says spacing, and you can simply just press the little option right here. Go to 1.5 just like this. So as you can tell, actually this is a bad example. I should have 1.5 line spacing. So this is an example of 1.5. If we were to go to 1 just like that, it's a little bit closer together. 1.5, that's one way. Or you can press on spacing to open it up further, and you can actually get a precise line spacing by going up or going down. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to have 1.5 line spacing on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.